Okay, everybody, so this is obviously why I like having the tight curls. They last so long in your hair when you have them done every other way and they're not curling all together or whatever. So today is our updo day, and tight curls are really awesome in an updo. So what we'll do is, if you tease all this first, you can have a base, and then you'll be able to just throw some pins in there and look super cute. So tease it up, get your base. I'm just teasing at the root. I'm not going all the way down because this is our third day curl, so we still want to have some curl at the ends, obviously. So just get in there and do the root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some over here. When I do it with the brush, it just helps make a big naughty mess there. Now look at this. There's so much we could do with this curl. I like doing these ones. So you just pull it all up and you let it all kind of come forward, but you have like this big curl right there. So let's do that. So all you want to do, curl and twist, right? That's our motto, curl and twist. And we put our bobby pins in like this so we don't see them. Push it, see? And it stays. Take our next one up, curl and twist. People want to see what the back looks like. Girl, I don't even know what the back looks like. Just trying to feel my way. Make a quick updo and look cute like the rest of us, alright? Bear with me. Okay. Just up and twist. So easy when you already have this much curl in your hair, right? So with this piece, you want to kind of, I mean, you could have it up if you wanted to Shaka Khan it. Shaka Khan. But you know, you might want to leave a little bit hanging down in your face. So we'll just twist and pin like that, so we can have some that comes down, and then just go through and kind of fix your hair because it is third day curl. Look at how cute and full and fabulous you're gonna look today. I guarantee you that this look, people are gonna be like, oh shoot. Everybody loves a little Shaka Khan in their life. I know I do. In the back, I just tried to separate some little curls to hang down so you don't look such a mess. And you know, I ain't looking at it, so I have to just feel it, push it down. This curl is so way out of control. We need to bring some of it up, because she is getting on my nerves. You just pin it up. That's all we do. Pin it up, pin it in. Do I look like Dolly Parton yet? Look at how cute. It's like my little curly frohawk. Yes! I love it. You will love it too. So will all the jealous bitches at work. Okay? Look how cute. Super. And see, you just pull some, whatever you need to put up, pin it up. It's easy. Then you freeze and shine the heck out of it because we don't want it to move even if the wind blows, okay? And with all that back combing, it already makes it super full and awesome. So, I hope the back looks good. If it doesn't, it's okay because I don't look back there anyways. Wait till I go to Walmart today, honey, yes. So simple, super curly. Even if we wanted to do one more day out of this hair, we could do it. We could get another day. Like this video, subscribe, tell your friends, share these super curly videos. And I think we're gonna start doing a perm revolution. People are gonna wanna have perms, but don't do it because you're not allowed to have your hair colored and permed. If you have natural, virgin, fabulous, shiny hair, girl, perm that shit all day. If you don't, and you have bleached and colored and a mess, a little bit of dry, fragile hair, don't ever get a perm, okay? Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.